So imagine if I was this really cool brand of Adidas. Okay, and I was in a box. You would let me out, right? You would let me out and you would use me. You would use me, right? Because that's what I want. That's all I want. I want a purpose. I want a purpose. So if I was your favorite brand of shoes in a box, you'd unwrap that shit and then you would use it. Therefore, you can get me out of here. Do I need to clean you after use, or are you self-cleaning? Huh? Clean me? After use? After what? After what use? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Use? Use what? I have pink puffy lips? Do they look puffy? Not those lips? What? Stop! You want a what? My what? Until I what? What did you mean by this? Huh? Huh?
어머, 너 벌써 영상 다 본 거야? 오늘 준비한 영상도 재밌었지? 여기 이 영상이랑 이 영상도 보고 가. 구독이랑 좋아요도 꼭 눌러주고, 알지?